السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته أعزائي طلبة وطالبات الثانوية العامة. معانا النهاردة مجموعة مسائل على الدرس اللي احنا بنتناوله permutation and combination. The first one, factorial n time factorial n minus 1 equals 720. Find the value of n. Here you can write left hand side in the form factorial n, and 720, when you factorize this number you get this number divide 1 equals 720, divides 2 equal 360, 360 divide 3 equals 120, 120 equals 4 equals 30. 30 is 6 times 5. So you can write 720 in the form factorial 6. Here factorial n, so n equals 6. Number 2. NCN minus 3 equals 20. Find value of n. Right. NCN minus 3 equals CN. Why? N CN minus 3 equals N C3, because n minus 3 plus 3 equals n. This equals 20. NC3 equals 20. NC3, what's the meaning of NC3? NC3 is NB3 over factorial 3 equals 20. NB3 equals factorial 3, 3 times 2 times 1 equals 6. 6 times 20. 20 is 5 times 4. You can write this in the form 6B3. Here NB3, therefore n equal 6. The next, n plus 1 Bn equals 24. Find the value of n. n plus 1 Bn عبارة عن factorial n plus 1 over factorial difference n plus 1 minus n. n plus 1 minus n. This equals 24. Here factorial n plus 1 equals this factorial 1 equals 1. Here equal 24. You can factorize 24. 24 equals what? 1 times 2, 1 times 2 times 3, 6 times 4. This factorial n plus 1. Left hand side. Right hand side factorial 4. Here factorial n plus 1. So n plus 1 equals 4. n equals 3. The next. Look. 30 CR equals 30 CR plus 10, and NB7 equals 90 times N minus 1 B5. From this 30 like this 30, so this equals R plus 10 or R plus 10 equals 30. R equal R plus 10, wrong. Therefore, R plus 10, this plus this equal this. R plus R, so 2R plus 10 equals 30. 30 minus 10, 20, divide 2, therefore R equal 10. This first equation. Second, NB7 means factorial n over factorial n minus 7. Here 90. Factorial n minus 2 b5 عبارة عن factorial n minus 2 over n minus 2 minus 5 n minus 7. Cancel this out, n and n minus 1. Let's inside n minus 2 equal 90 factorial n minus 2. Cancel. N times n minus 2. You can write this in the form nb2. 90 equals 10 times 9 equals 10 b2. Here like, therefore n equal 10. Number 5. Fraction left hand side equals 13 CR plus 13 CR minus 1 over 13 CR plus 13 CR plus 1. This equals 2. Find the value of R. You can add this by a rule. احنا خدنا rule في عملية الاديشن between two combinations. This like this and this. Who is the bigger? R. When you add these combinations, add one of up and write the bigger. Who is the bigger, R or R minus 1? R. Therefore, 13 CR plus 13 CR minus 1 equals 13 plus 1 CR. Left hand side, the denominator here. 13 CR plus 13 CR plus 1. Add 1 up. Take the bigger. Who is the bigger, R or R plus 1? R plus 1. This equals 2. You can write 14 CR, 14 CR plus 1, the ratio. You can reciprocal this ratio. Write up 14 CR plus 1 over 14 CR equals half. From the ratio between these combinations, you know NCR over NCR minus 1 equals N minus R plus 1 over R. R is the bigger here. This N, you can write this 14 minus R plus 1 N minus R plus 1 over R. R here equals R plus 1. This ratio equals half. Okay? Here, cancel 1 with 1. 14 minus R, 14 minus R. Here, cross multiplication times 2. Here, R plus 1. 28 here minus 1, 27. Here negative 2R in this side, positive 2R plus R equals 3R. Therefore, R equal 9. Last one. بيقول لي هنا the number of ways of choosing a football team consists of 10 players and a goalkeeper out of 23 players and 3 goalkeeper. احنا عندنا 3 goalkeepers وعندنا 23 players وانا عاوز اعمل منهم تيم. احنا التيم مكون من goal and 10 players and mean 11. Okay, so the first event, number of choice a goalkeeper. The first event اللي هو اختيار one goalkeeper from the 3. The ways or the number of ways of choose a goalkeeper 3 C1. The number of ways to choose 10 player from 23, you can write 23 C10. Okay? Therefore, the two events when occur together time 3C1 time 23C10 يبقى عدد طرق اختيار لحارس مرمى من 3C1 وعدد طرق اختيار 10 بلاير من 23C3 يبقى عشان نكون الفريق مع بعضه هنضرب 3C1 اللي هي 3 ساين 23C10 23C10 عبارة عن 23 times 22 times 21 so to 10 factor over factorial 10. احنا عارفين ان NCR factorial N over factorial R factorial N minus R. 23 minus 10 equals 13. You can use the calculator. This times this equals 343 2198. ونتقابل الحصة الجاية.